This brand is from ECR International, which is a part of Granby Industries, and the units are available in the USA and Canada, but their dealer network is very limited. They offer multi-position furnaces which allow the dealers to have less inventory and therefore less overhead costs. The brand features aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel, and the guarantee on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The GTHB models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a 95% efficiency and fixed-speed blower motors, while the G95V models are premium two-stage units with variable speed blower motors which are quieter and more efficient. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.